Hi, I'm Pammee. Have you met a fennec fox before? No? Well, now you have. That's me. We're the smallest type of fox in the whole world. That's why I have this thick fur to keep me warm in the desert at night. It also keeps me cool when it's hot during the day. When I'm happy, I purr just like a kitty cat. I'm always happy when I'm helping other animal friends. There are animals all over the world who need our help. Will you join me today for some magical missions? Let's make our way to Utopia and see what Yoohoo and the rest of the crew are up to. Come on!
Welcome to Utopia, a magical land far beyond the Milky Way. Here, the forest is lush and green and full of trees, like the extra special sparkling fruit tree. But when the colorful fruits on the sparkling tree start to fade, the crew knows that an animal on Earth might be in trouble. Yoohoo and his animal crew love living here, and they're a really great team. Now it's nighttime. Pammee stands at the tippy top of the sparkling tree. Sounds like something special is about to happen.
Okay, everyone, gather around. It's time now.
Hi, Pammee. So, do you think it'll rise soon?
I really hope so.
Huh?
Hi, Yoohoo. Hi, Pammee. Will there be a special moon tonight? Yes, the supermoon. Tonight, the moon will look way larger than it usually does on other nights.
I want to see it now. Is Laura here yet? I'm here, Tweet. Phew, sorry I'm late. What were you doing? I was practicing the sound of the night. Tweet, I didn't realize it was supermoon time already.
The sound of the night?
Yes. Would you like to hear?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh no! There's a wolf!
Yoohoo to the rescue! We're on a mission, let's explore.
Let's have some fun and so much more.
Travel the world and meet new friends.
Our journey never ends.
Yoohoo to the rescue! Yoohoo to the rescue! Pammee, Lemmy, Rudy, and Choo-Woo! And our captain!
Yoohoo! Yoohoo to the rescue! Yoohoo to the rescue! The Bat Sisters and the Starry Night.
Are you okay, Choo-Woo? I really surprised you with my wolf howling, didn't I? Sorry about that, Tweet Tweet. It sounded so real. You really are a good parrot. Your howling sounded just like a wolf. Don't worry, Choo-Woo. I was actually just imitating the sound of a wolf yawning. A wolf yawning? I want to try too. Ow! What's wrong, Choo-Woo? The sparkling fruit. The light is growing faint.
Wow, it is. Right.
We have a new mission to get to.
I wonder if I'll get to see the supermoon tonight. I hope so.
When Slow stretches his cane of wisdom to touch the sparkling fruit, 5 seeds drop into the hands of Yoohoo and his crew. Yoohoo tosses a seed onto his wooden skateboard, and just like that, his hoverboard whirs to life. The rest of the crew captures their special gadgets too. Pammee's pocket watch turns into a GPS navigator. Choo-Woo's purse becomes a camera. Rudy's pencil transforms into a 3D pen. And Lemmy's big bag shrinks way down in size. Now, Yoohoo and the crew are ready to go on a magical mission.
Goodbye.
Have a safe
Have a safe trip.
trip.
Yoohoo, Pammee, Lemmy, Choo-Woo, and Rudy wave goodbye to Slow and Laura because the Wonder Bug is ready too. The Wonder Bug will fly them all the way around the world to help animals in need. Let's see where they are heading today.
Destination confirmed. It seems that a golden-capped fruit bat living in the forest of the Philippines is in trouble.
All right then, let's go to the Philippines.
Let's go!
With a bright flash, the Wonder Bug lifts up, 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 and leaves the forest of Utopia. It zips all the way to the planet Earth and spins around and around. Meanwhile, two small bats are trying very hard to fly. It's dark and cloudy there. This must be where Yoohoo and his crew are flying to.
Oh my, Batu. I think you should try to stay more balanced as you fly. Use your shoulders more, like this.
Oh, like this?
No, a little bit more like...
Oh no, what was that sound? It's too scary here, Luna. Can we just go home? It's just too dark and scary at night for flying.
We're bats, Batu. Bats fly at night. There's nothing here to be scared of.
Oh.
Let's try this again. Now follow right behind me, okay?
Okay, I can do this. What was that? I heard something scary.
The Wonder Bug lands safely. But where are they?
We're in the right place, though it's pretty hard to see anything.
You're right. It's very dark here, so we can't see far.
It says look for a cave. Ah, that's it. We found a big cave.
Is that you, Batu? Are you okay?
What? Who's there?
I'm sorry if I scared you. I am Luna, the golden-capped fruit bat.
Aha! So you're the bat that we were looking for. Hi, I'm Yoohoo.
I'm Pammee.
I'm Rudy.
I'm Lemmy.
I'm Choo.
Hello, friends.
It's nice to see you. So, you called us to help out. Are we waiting for someone? How can we help?
I called out to you to help my younger sister Batu learn to fly, but she disappeared before you guys arrived here.
Okay, we're on it. We'll look around the whole area to find your sister.
Before you start looking, you should know that Batu is scared of the night. She wanted to come home to our cave, so I came back here to see if she found her way home.
Batu is scared of the night even though she's a bat?
Yes, and Batu is a baby. She still needs to learn to fly well.
We'll help too, Luna.
Thank you. The forest around here is much too big for me to look everywhere in it.
We'll search on the ground. You look from the sky.
That's a good idea. Thank you, guys.
Okay, crew. Let's start our search too.
Aye, aye, Captain.
When Luna flies away, the crew gets to work. But it's still dark, and things aren't going that well yet.
Ouch! Hey, that was my tail, Lemmy. Sorry, it's so dark I can't see very well.
Help me, Pammee. I think there's something over there. Don't worry, that's just the sound of the night. The gentle breeze is moving the grass and branches. Aha! Thanks, Pammee. So that's what the sound of the night is. Let's record it and play it for Laura when we go back to Utopia. Good idea, Choo-Woo.
Oh, no!
Hey, I see some light over there. Let's go check it out. Ha!
Choo-Woo, what happened?
Hey, are you Batu? I am, but who are you? How do you know my name?
We met your sister Luna, who asked for our help finding you.
But Batu, why are you here alone? You must have been scared, huh? Do you want to come with us back to your home? I am scared alone, but I'm also scared that Luna might be disappointed in me.
What? Luna is just very worried about you. Why would you think she's disappointed?
Because I'm a bat who can't fly, and who's scared of the night.
Why are you scared of the night, Batu?
How dark it is, and the scary noises.
Scary noises? You mean like this one?
Ow! That scares me!
Don't worry. It was scary, but then I discovered it's not a scary sound at all. It's actually the sound of a wolf yawning.
For real?
Yes, and the night isn't too dark if you think about it. Look around. The stars are twinkling and the moon is shining brightly.
You're right. The stars are twinkling and the moon is shining. Oh no, there's something in the bushes.
Don't worry, Batu. That's just the sound of the night. The gentle breeze is moving the grass and leaves.
That's right, Batu. But I'm still scared. Phew. How do we help Batu overcome her fear?
Hey, I have a good idea. Let's all play together and make the different sounds of the night so that Batu can get used to them all. Yoohoo, are you ready?
Of course! I recorded every sound of the night I heard in the forest all day. Now the leaves and grass being blown by a breeze.
Ribbit! 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 Huh? Oh no! What is that thing?
Don't be scared. It's me, Luna. Hi, Batu.
Luna! Sister!
Thank you for finding Batu, Yoohoo. Thanks, friends.
I'm glad Batu is okay.
Batu, I was worried. Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. And guess what? I think I like the night a little bit more now.
Really? I'm so glad to hear that.
Oh, wow!
What? Now what is it?
A bright light falls over Batu, Luna, and the crew. What could it be?
Oh, wow. It's so beautiful.
That's incredible!
We finally saw the supermoon.
It really isn't all dark and scary at night. It's really shiny and pretty. I think that I'm falling in love with the night. Huh? It's time to go home now.
Thank you, guys.
Yes, thank you so much. I will never forget the nights you came out to play with me and helped me. I think I'm braver now and can learn to fly better on my own.
The moon will always protect you during the night, Batu.
Wait! Supermoon picture! Everybody big smile! And say Supermoon!
Supermoon!
Back on Utopia, Slow is so happy to see his friends. The sparkling tree is looking very beautiful again, and he reaches out one arm and points to something up high.
Wow, the sparkling fruit looks so much brighter tonight.
What is that, Slow?
You're right. That supermoon is amazing. This really is a wonderful night, right?
Yes, it's beautiful. Yoohoo's Journal! Yeah!
We met the golden-capped fruit bat. You may think it's a bird, but a bat is a mammal that can fly like a bird. Bats fly around at night and rest during the day. They can eat upside down and even sleep upside down. Bats can hang on to the branches and rocks with their sharp claws. Now, the golden-capped fruit bats are our friends too.
Wow, a supermoon. Had you heard of that before? A supermoon happens when the full moon is out at the same time that the moon is closest to Earth in its orbit. It's hard to see with your eyes, but the supermoon will appear a little bit bigger and brighter than normal. I bet supermoons will help other golden-capped fruit bats who are a little bit afraid of the dark too, don't you think? Wow, all this work at night is making me tired.
Welcome to Utopia, a magical land far beyond the Milky Way. Here, the forest is lush and green and full of trees, like the extra special sparkling fruit tree. But when the colorful fruits on the sparkling tree start to fade, the crew knows that an animal on Earth might be in trouble. Yoohoo and his animal crew love living